Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today we are going to see the 11th formula, which is substitute. If you are not following our Instagram page, please do follow our Instagram page for the further updates. We need to know what is the substitute formula, right? So substitute itself says that it is we are going to substitute, instead of some other value, we are going to add the other value, the different value, the new value into the particular cell value, right? So we are going to see in the video. Let's start. Okay, see here I have the sheet over replaced over here. Now I'll start with substitute formula. It says it's asked me for the text, the syntax. First it starts with text. So the text I'm going to give it as whole wheat. It's E3 and comma. And now I'm going to select the old text. So which text or word we need to change. So now I'm selecting W to get changed. Okay. So W get changed. What I need to give it as a what needs to be changed over there. I am putting let's say A. Instead of W it should be A. Okay. It's asking for the instance number, which means which if you see the whole wheat, you can see there is a two W's over there. So which W we need to change? So I'm putting it as 2 and just entering it. You can see instead of whole wheat, this W is replaced with A, right? And the same you can do it for the chocolate chip as well. If you want to know what's the difference between replace and substitute, right? Because the replace resembles the same, but I can say substitute will be a lot more easier comparing to replace. Why? Because in replace the syntax is like you need to count the numbers, right? If I again I'm going for the replace formula, the previous video which you have updated, it says like we need to add the bold text, which is our okay, let's add the chocolate chip. Okay, the start number from where we need to start. Okay, so I'm just giving it as 2, and how many number of characters we are going to change. Let's say I'm giving 3, and what is the text you need to add. It will be like replacing the whole length of the video. I'm giving it as IND, right? Just enter. You can see COC Hawk is removed and it was changed as IND. But here the substitute means it will substitute only the particular formula. The difference between these two is replace will totally replace the many values, but in substitute instead of one letter we can change. Even we can do it for the in replace as well, but substitute we don't need to count number of characters or number of length anything, but in replace we have to do. So compared to replace, I feel substitute is better. Please do comments which you feel better in comparing to replace and substitute. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.